Look at this bonfire. It looks pretty cool. Look at the sky, actually. Looks pretty cool. Look at the bonfire. Look how big it is. It's not that big. I put a lot of burn up, a lot of cardboard. So there's a lot of pieces of wood in there. A lot. And this is the stuff I just organized just now. Can't really see it. Really see it. So it looks pretty cool though. Bonfire does. So that actually looks pretty cool. Look, you ready to see the deck results? Boom. The deck. That's pretty cool. I can also do a front flip right now on a trampoline. Or a 360. Look at that. Looks pretty cool. That's a trampoline. Front flip. Not bad. That's a deck. That's what that deck looks like in the dark. It's pretty cool. Trying to get rid of all of this stuff. So I can move stuff around right now, so move stuff around on the bonfire. Whoa, that's kind of cool, but dangerous too. Perfect. This piece right here. Perfect. Now I gotta get good control. Perfect. And this is the stick I'm using. So perfect. Oh, there's a little moon over there. You can't really see it though. It's actually kind of, but the sky is hidden. Subscribe and comment and get a big thumbs up.